Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael here. If you are an HSC examinee aiming for top marks in your English first paper, you already know how critical point analysis is for your exam, especially for team writing and summaries. In today's master class, we are decoding a masterpiece from your textbook Dreams by D.H. Lawrence. While it looks like a simple poem on the surface, examiners love it because of its deep philosophical layer. By the end of this video, you will have a ready-made high-scoring theme and critical analysis that will make your script stand out. Let's dive in. Before we look at the lines, let's understand the mind behind them. David Herbert Lawrence, popularly known as D.S. Lawrence, was a prominent 20th century English writer. He was a modernist who often wrote about human psychology, vitality, and the destructive nature of modern society. In this poem, Lawrence isn't just talking about the dreams you see when you sleep. He is exploring aspirations, life forces, and the tragedy of a purposeless life. Keep this modernist perspective in mind, as mentioning the poet's perspective always adds extra value to your exam answers. Let's read and analyze this poem. It's short, consisting of only 2 stanzas, but every word counts. D.H. Lawrence, this poem's name is that Dreams. So let's start. Dreams, D.H. Lawrence. All people dream, but not equally. Lawrence starts with a universal truth. Everyone dreams, but the nature and intensity of these dreams vary. He immediately divides dreamers into 2 distinctive categories. Those who dream by night in the dusty recesses of their minds, wake in the day to find that it was vanity. Look at the imagery here, dusty recesses. Dusty recesses represents the subconscious inactive mind. Lawrence argues that people who only dream passively at night wake up to realize their dreams are empty, unfulfilled, and a mere vanity, meaning useless. Now, let's look at the contrast in the second stanza. But the dreamers of the day are dangerous people. This is a powerful line. Why dangerous? Because daytime dreamers are not passive. They are active, conscious, and driving. But they may dream their dreams with open eyes and make them come true. To dream with open eyes means to possess a conscious vision, a clear goal, and the determination to execute it. They are dangerous to the status quo because they have the power to reshape reality and bring about actual change. To secure an A+ in your HSC English literature questions, you must mention stylistic features. Here are 3 key devices Lawrence uses. First one is antithesis. The entire poem is built on a sharp contrast between night dreamers and daydreamers. Second one, imagery. Phrases like dusty recesses create a visual of a neglected dark corner of the mind, symbolizing inactivity. Last one, paradox. Calling daytime dreamers dangerous people is a paradox. In a conventional sense, dreaming is harmless, but here it represents a revolutionary force that can disrupt and change the world. Now, let's compile all of this into a pristine high-scoring theme. If you get this poem for your 10-mark theme question, here is an advanced structure of this poem you can provide. The poem Dreams by D.H. Lawrence explores the psychological and practical dimensions of human aspirations. The poet categorized dreamers into two types: passive night dreamers and active daydreamers. While nocturnal dreams are transient subconscious illusions that vanish upon waking, daytime dreams represent conscious visions and concrete goals. The poet highlights that individuals who dream consciously with open eyes possess the revolutionary willpower to transform their aspirations into reality. Ultimately, this central theme emphasizes that active determination, rather than passive wishing, is the driving force behind human achievement. Feel free to pause this video here and take a screenshot of this text. It is exactly the right length and depth required by HSC examiners. And that wraps up our professional analysis of dreams by D.H. Lawrence. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out our HSC English first paper playlist linked on the screen for analysis of Langston Hughes' dreams and other essential textbook points. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and share this video with your classmates. Best of luck with preparation, study smart, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.